Becoming an art god is very simple, but there's one thing that may keep you from achieving your goals. And in this video, you'll know exactly what it is. Now, I love drawing characters, and I've made some decent progress throughout my art journey, and I'm just sharing all the stuff that I know with you, so you can make more progress faster and better one. So the plan is to first define the art god, okay, what it is, who is it, and then we'll become an art god. And then I'll tell you exactly what keeps you from achieving your art goals. So first, what's an art god? And for me, art god is basically like an artist at a very godly level. You can also think about like, I don't know, like the goat of the artist, okay? So my art gods are actually like Sakimi-chan, probably top 3. Okay, then there's Santos Art, Bochen, and there's a couple of more. Like, think for yourself, like, what are your like top 3 or 4? Like, get like from 2 to 4 art gods that you think that they're the best artists, okay? And you very like them. So now imagine you as an art god between those your favorite artists, okay? And basically every artist needs goals, and this ideal, okay, ideal version of yourself, which is art god, is pretty inspiring, so we need that. So now define you as an art god, okay? Like, who is he? What he does? I mean, how he practices or whatever, like, how does your day look like as an art god, okay? And also define it for other artists, your other art gods. So now you know your art god, okay? You know what he does, how is he, you know, all the stuff that he does. So now you need to become that person, that version, okay? You need to study like them, practice like them, like do all the habits that they do, okay? You just try to become the version of yourself, this art god, that deserves to achieve those goals. And that's pretty simple, okay? And obviously it won't be like, you know, day one, you magically start to do all the good habits, okay? It doesn't work like that. It probably take you like, I don't know, a week, month, or a couple of months, a year, to actually be consistent with it, okay? This one thing that actually keeps you from achieving your goals is, okay, now you got your version, okay? You've become that, okay? You do all the good habits, you practice like them, you study like them, you study their art and everything, okay? But yet your art still sucks. You don't have any commissions, your art doesn't get likes, okay? You still don't have any followers, you still didn't achieve your goals. And why? So this one thing that keeps you from achieving your goals is time. You need time, okay? And that's the hardest part. Trust me, in order to become an art god, you need time, you need patience, you need to keep pushing even if you don't see any result. And the chances are you're not gonna see any results in like a year or 2. It doesn't, it won't happen. I mean, it might, I hope it might for you, but you just need to keep pushing, okay? Even if you don't see the results, which is difficult, but it's necessary, so yeah. So basically every day you need to choose actively to become an art god instead of, you know, pursuing instant gratification like watching YouTube or whatever. Like, instead of that, just know that, okay, you need to practice, you need to draw. So the time will pass anyway. So in a year, what you'll be left with is either your skill, your acquired skill, okay, because you practice, you worked hard, or nothing because you've chosen to actually watch YouTube, or I don't know, like scroll to TikTok, or I don't know, like do nothing. I've been there, that's why I'm saying this. It's also like I'm saying that to me because there's many times that I chosen watching YouTube instead of actually drawing, okay? Because it's too hard. It's obviously it's easier to just sit and watch something dumb, okay? But yeah, like time is the only thing that keeps you from achieving your goals, basically. Obviously, if you do all the, you know, good stuff that leads to that, okay? So yeah, basically, in conclusion, if you want to become an art god, you first have to define it. You have to know what is an art god for you and who is it. Ideally, it's the ideal version of yourself that is amongst the very good artists, okay? And then you need to actually learn what they do every day, like their habits, how are they, even their character or something. You need to then go and become that person that actually deserves to achieve those goals of yours, okay? It's not that easy, to be honest, but that's like one requirement. And then you need time. If you do all those good stuff, there's no way that in a year or 2 you won't achieve your goals, okay? Or you won't make any progress towards them. So yeah, to be honest, you just need to commit to your journey, and that's it. You need to be patient. Now there's face tutorials on my Patreon, so you can go and check them out. And also there are free brushes, so you can also download them. The brushes are pretty cool. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And if you did, you know, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you know, go check out my socials maybe if you want. Okay. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye. Bing.